Schwabangin sedang ya ke kubor, ni kerpat ipi ki nongpek, ban subscribe ya ke ni ke channel, ban klik ya notification bell, bapin yo kloy ki kubor na ke jela.
Also today, two young, dynamic leaders of the state who have, along with their supporters, decided to be part of this great parivar, the Meghalaya Pradesh Trinamool Congress, and be part of the team in our resolve to serve the people of the state and the nation as a whole. I, on behalf of my comrades and colleagues, on behalf of the National Chairperson and National General Secretary and the Meghalaya Pradesh Trinamool Congress President, Charles Pingrove, and all other party functionaries of Meghalaya TMC, welcome our friend and the sitting MLA of Phulbari Legislative Assembly constituency, one of our young and promising leaders that people have chosen to elect, Esmatur Mominin. Glad to have as part of our team, and I would like to both welcome and congratulate all your supporters, all the electorates of your constituency who have collectively decided to be part of this great parivar. Welcome once again and our best wishes. Collectively, we look forward to serve people with utmost sense of sincerity, honesty, and commitment. I'm also very happy to welcome my friend, Sri Robinus Syngkon, the former MLA and sitting MDC of Jhadc Autonomous District Council. Thank you for being part of this parivar, for being part of this family. Thank you, Robinus, and thank you to all your supporters, all your comrades who have agreed to be part of this great family. Robinus Syngkon has been a man who has served the people in different capacities as government officer, then decided to be an elected representative to serve people of very difficult areas. He represented in 2013 and 18 very difficult area in our state of Meghalaya, the Meghalaya constituency. We are refreshed with the memory of what has happened in one of the villages which falls within that constituency. So a man who is connected with people residing in the most difficult areas, people who is connected with most vulnerable group of people. Thank you once again and welcome to our great parivar.
Most importantly this evening, as we bring into our large family two very important members of our state, of MLA from Phulbari, Mr. S.G. Mominin, and also Robinus Syngkon was the former MLA and present MDC from Jhadc Hills. This is a testimony of the faith that they have in our party as we strive to work hard to bring prosperity and peace and progress to our beloved state of Meghalaya.
I have officially joined All India Trinamool Congress in presence of our state president and in presence of our leader of the opposition and TMC Legislative Party leader, Sri Dr. Mukul Sangma, and also in presence of our Vice President, George Lingdong. You see, I was annoyed with the NPP party. I was annoyed with the activities of the incumbent government. It's a fact that I was very much in the government, but for various issues, I was very unhappy with the style and functioning of the incumbent Chief Minister, Conrad Sangma. And there are several reasons for which I have made up my mind, and finally today I have joined TMC. I have my full faith in the leadership of Dr. Mukul Sangma and Sir Charles Pingrop, that under their leadership, if we can form government here in the state, then our state and especially my area, Phulbari, will be developed like anything.